Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to replace the image. As usual, it's on the image is on the your document. You can just replace the image directly with this. You can just swipe it and using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to replace our image in the Google Docs document. So I just going to show some example. So first of all, I just going to click this. So I just want to replace this particular image. So just click this and you will see a three dot option on the bottom. Just click this and here you just need another option. So double tap it and click on this three dot. You will see an option of replace image. Just click this and here you can select it from your mobile phone gallery storage. Click this. So I just replaced the same image with my YouTube channel screenshot. This is how you just replace the image. You just click on the image, click on this three dot, replace the image option, and just replace the image that you want to replace it. This is how you just replace. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.